For those who want to be stylish and minimalist this summer, I'll show how to make 15 outfits for this summer with only 20 items. Wow, I never tried it, but it really works. Only 20 items to have outfits for different occasions this summer. Accessories, shoes are included in this list. Please subscribe before you start watching so I can share more valuable content with you. Let's go! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elena Delgadir and I am a style coach. Summer is just around the corner. That's why I've created a capsule wardrobe of some of my favorite summer pieces that are not only stylish but also will not break the bank. I'll share on the screen all items I'm using today. Let's start with the casual outfit. Sneakers, denim shorts, oversized shirt, and scarf as a headband. All items I share on the screen. I have my favorite vintage shorts that I already fixed because I can't get rid of my favorite pieces and the price doesn't matter. They were found at Long Beach Antique Market for $30. You can find something similar at Free People, Aces, vintage pieces at Urban Outfitters. That's actually amazing they start pulling vintage. All those stores are shipping internationally. Please let me know in the comments if you need a link for any particular item. I would say this type of shorts is a must-have this season. Look how many outfits you can create with them. Also, vintage style classy sports shoes will stay with us for the next few seasons. I'm wearing Adidas Gazelle in red. This summer, I want you to pay attention to good quality fabrics so your skin can breathe. For example, you can wear a scarf in so many different variations, so your outfits will look different with only one piece used differently. I am wearing a silk scarf. With this outfit, I decided to wear it as a headband. Continue to watch me so you will see how to wear a scarf in more variations. Did you know you can create a bag from the scarf? Let me know in the comments if you use this style tip. Watch me doing it. Here we are. This is one of my favorite silk scarf that I got from resale and it's Hermes. So tie 2 corners, make it right here. So we kind of create a tote bag. So you put it here, let's say on the bottom, and another corners you tie, so you create a real tote bag from the silk scarf that you can use all summer. Look, voila, it's ready. This summer must-have is cotton linen flowy dress that you can wear for any occasion as well. You can find different styles at Urban Outfitters, Zara, Aces, Mango, Reformation, and I'm adding to my dress Birkenstock sandals that you can style with anything you want, with socks or not socks. This outfit I identify as casual. Where would you go like that? Share your thoughts in the comments. From this outfit, as I'm already in the dress, I would create an outfit for a summer wedding. Just changing shoes for mules. Mine are from Gucci, but there are also different variations of mules right now for different budgets. For example, you can get some on Steve Madden, Coach, Aces, Banana Republic. Did you notice that I'm adding hoop earrings to the 3rd outfit already? And they match with every outfit and for any occasion. Mules are such a staple piece you want to have in your closet. For the next outfit, I added the same mules and also added pieces that I included in my summer lookbook. Glowy pants, crop top, hat, and sunglasses. Again, you want your skin to breathe in the summer and in general too. Always spoil yourself with good fabric, so flowy pants are a must-have for every occasion. They are such a staple piece for this and all your future summers. I got mine at Zara. They're 100% cotton and I purchased large size. Don't be afraid of a bigger size, be afraid of the wrong size that doesn't fit you. There are options where you can find the one you like, for example at Abercrombie, Aritzia, H&M, Reformation. On a scale from 1 to 10, how do you like my 4th outfit? I decided to integrate the blazer because in the summer, in the evenings, it can get a little cold, and a blazer always brings to the outfit some details as well. Don't forget to have a hat in the summer so you don't get sunburned. If you add a different top and a different shoes to those pants, you'll have an outfit to participate in the summer wedding. How changing little details are changing the whole look. I added a new top and the mules that is on the list for summer essential lookbook. Did you notice that? Let me know in the comments. Also, did you notice the brooch on the pocket of the blazer? I put it there as a little detail, but we also will need it to create a crop top from an oversized t-shirt. Continue watching me and don't forget to like this video. How to turn your pool outfit into the date outfit, almost wearing the same items. Choose a one-piece monochrome swimsuit. I have a black one I purchased at Zara. Wear it with our flowy pants so you can wear on top of an oversized t-shirt to complete your outfit. Or after you swim, you can wear only a t-shirt to cover up. You can also wear the swimsuit with mules or sandals and wear a scarf as a headband. Your choice, but don't forget to protect your head from the sun. You can have two oversized t-shirts for this summer and just change them for different outfits. Let me just show how I create a crop top using a brooch, the one from the blazer, with another t-shirt. But again, up to you what t-shirt to wear. Okay, the trick is to have the crop top under the t-shirt, so like a top. So you tuck it in from the back first. Tuck it in. So since it's oversized, it will look loose like this. See? You can also tuck it in. I mean, there's different options you can play with that. So as much t-shirt as you can put under your oversized t-shirt. That is like a top under this, like your bra. And as a little detail you can add to your outfit, it's adding a brooch. It will look like you created it from just a brooch. Look me doing that. Brooch is really, I feel like, important detail that and jewelry that we don't really much appreciate, but we should, because it really brings some chic. Okay, here you are. Everything looks good. So it's oversized. It's still your t-shirt that you can wear in different variations. So transform your outfit from pool outfit to your date outfit, just like creating a crop top, adding a little detail, a brooch. So it will look like this. And adding mules, just different shoes, so to look a little bit nicer. So, and you're ready for a summer date. What do you think? I'm slightly changing the outfit for brunch with friends or family. Let's focus on jeans. Sometimes it's very hot in the summer that even walking naked outside doesn't help. But sometimes it's nice and cool to wear jeans for a day or night. I'm curious where you're from to know what kind of summer you have. Cold, hot, warm. Share in the comments where you live. I love vintage and I love vintage denim. Agree or not? I found my perfect 501 Levi's and I ripped it and I ripped it again. But my love for vintage denim is stronger than those little details. I really have a hole right now there. I put together the same white top we already used, mules and a headband. So we have a little 70s aesthetic. And I'm ready to have a mimosa with my girlfriends. Can you wear jeans for a date? Yes, you can. Add to the same jeans a top that we make from a silk scarf. We're gonna do it right now. So you fold the scarf, you take one corner, tie it with another corner, tie it together, but you're gonna hide the knot, kind of behind the chain. So here you are, and I'm wearing actually top under so I don't stand naked in front of you. So right now, here's another step of the magic happens. You just wrap your body with another corners and tighten it around your back. So a silk scarf is a very good investment for this summer. And wear heeled sandals. And voila, you're ready to meet him. Using the same top, but changing the bottom to a midi skirt, you'll have another outfit for a date. You can just style your silk scarf differently. Denim midi skirts are with us in the 3rd season and will stay with us more. We can see them at Burberry, Victoria Beckham, Yves Saint Laurent, Stella McCartney, and Ganni Runway. And there are so many variations on how to wear. This piece also will come with you to the fall and winter outfits. Find your favorite one that fits you well and you feel comfortable in it. Zara has good options. And skirts are sold out very fast, so you better hurry up. So you can find denim midi skirts at Mango, ASOS, Amazon, Urban Outfitters. There are so many denim skirts for sale from different brands for different budgets. And having a denim midi maxi skirt this summer, you can make multiple outfits by adding all tops I'm using today for the summer lookbook. Because adding another top as a silk scarf right now, you can turn your outfit into an outfit to attend a wedding. Last but not least, a summer polka dot dress. You can have one dress for your summer, but this polka dot dress already includes in the summer lookbook. So you have more options for what to wear this summer. Depending on the occasion, you can go for brunch with friends by wearing this dress with our Adidas Gazelle, or wearing heeled sandals on a date or wedding. So there you have it, my summer lookbook with a capsule wardrobe of trendy and affordable 20 pieces. 5 different occasions and 15 outfits I showed you in this video. Trust me, there's even more than that. Be creative. I hope this video has given you some inspiration for your own summer wardrobe. Let me know in the comments which piece was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more style and body positivity content. Thanks for watching.